how to work with the online platform to conduct the National Multi-Subject Test, Senior Instructor. The online platform for Ukrainian admission exams is localized for the Ukrainian-speaking staff. Therefore, we do require Ukrainian teachers to work as senior instructors. However, if you are assisting us, you may want to find out how the system works. Then this video is for you. Let's find out how to start working with the online platform used to conduct the NMT. Type the link provided by the Testing Center Manager into the browser address bar. When the online platform page opens, enter the credential, login and password provided to you. Check the class number, the date of the assessment, the starting time of the assessment, and the number of the participants assigned to the class. The list of students taking the test displays the information about the particular test taker, their full name, login and password for access to the platform, information about conditions for some students. It is also necessary to mark the test taker's presence or absence and to indicate information about the progress of their work in this list. In the list of students, you might see the mark I. It indicates the special education needs takers that require special conditions during the assessment. After placing the cursor on it, the description of special conditions will be displayed. Warning: if the Testing Center Manager has blocked the work of a certain test taker due to the violation of the assessment procedures or due to the health problems that occurred to the student, the line with the data of such a student will be highlighted in red in the list of the participants. After completing the assessment, fill in the electronic form of the class protocol, mark the presence or absence of each of the test takers, and set the appropriate status of their work performance. While filling in the form, use the information from the paper class report. Please indicate the presence or absence of each test taker in the column presence. The initial status not specified should be changed into absent or present. To do this, select the participant, click the status that corresponds to the student, and confirm in the drop-down menu by clicking on the tick button. Warning: you cannot mark the student who has not logged into the platform as present. A corresponding warning will appear in the pop-up window. If a change is needed, select the test taker, click on the list of possible statuses, set the proper status, and confirm your selection with the tick button. After specifying the presence or absence information for all the students in class, and when the work is in progress, it is necessary to set the appropriate status for each participant in the list of participants in the status column. Initially, the status is shown as non-specified. The statuses that students must have at the end of the assessment are: the work has been completed, the work has not been completed, the student is absent. Choose the status for each test taker and confirm your choice by clicking the tick button. If the test taker was present during the assessment but has not completed the work due to certain circumstances, prolonged air alarm, violation of the testing procedure, deterioration of health, select the status "the work has not been completed," and be sure to indicate the circumstances that were an obstacle for the test to be completed. If the test taker has not arrived to take the test, select absent in the status column. It is fine that the attendance column already indicates absent. Warning: If the status absent is set in the presence column, then it is not possible to set the status the work has been completed, the work has not been completed, or the procedure violation for such a test taker. If the absent status has been set by mistake, make changes in the presence column, then select the desired status in the status column. Check whether all the participants have their statuses set in the presence and status columns. Warning: the status not specified cannot be left for any student. After entering all the necessary information, exit the platform. To do this, hover over your login in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Log Out button that appears. Thank you for your kind support and assistance.